To deposit a check with the Capital One mobile app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap the Services tab. Then select Deposit Checks. On the Deposit Checks screen, you will see a list of your available accounts. Choose the account where you want to deposit the check by tapping on it. You will then be prompted to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only at Capital One." Take a clear and well-lit picture of the check, ensuring all four corners are visible and the check is on a dark background. The app will guide you through the process of taking the pictures and will automatically detect the check amount. After taking the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate, including the check amount and the account you are depositing into. If everything is correct, tap Deposit to complete the transaction. You will then receive a confirmation that your deposit has been submitted and you will be able to view the deposit in your account history. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place for at least 30 days after the deposit, in case there are any issues with the transaction. Also, be aware of the deposit limits and any potential holds on your account. For more information, you can refer to the Capital One mobile app FAQ or contact customer support. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check using the Capital One mobile app and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking.